Hey guys, how you doing? Summer's here, but the potholes are also still here. So let me show you how we get it done with the all-weather blacktop patch by Sakrete. All right, so first step is make sure your hole is clean. Pothole, that is. You can start by using just a brush or any broom, but you want to get all the loose material out of there so it's just bare. All right. Step 2, you want to empty your bag and pour it all out into your pothole. And don't be deterred by the mound because you're going to end up tamping it down anyway. All right, so step 3, make sure you spread it evenly. Make sure you cover everything. You can go over the sides a little bit because you're going to want it to grab on the high parts. Now for step 4, just tap it in. You're gonna wanna do this for a while until you get a solid surface. Don't be shy. So yeah, guys, it's really quite simple. Once you get it evened out and tamped, you're pretty much done. Give it about 24 hours before you roll over it and you're good to go. Also, if you guys need a tamp, we got them here. And also, don't forget, it's the Sakrete All-Weather Blacktop Patch.